Hello everyone. So this is a small tutorial on how you can use the customer portal that we have made. You have to go to the website crm.cdcprinters.com where you can log in using email and password. When you log in, your dashboard will open immediately. In this, you will get basic data. How much quantity has been ordered in the last 30 days? What value has been ordered? What has been ordered in the last 90 days? What were the last recent orders? What is the pending status of approval? Which approval is yet to come? This is a basic dashboard. Let's go to individual pages. We can go to the orders page. In this orders page, you will get all the data. What orders have you ordered? Which is currently pending? Which have been completed? What information is there in this? What is the name of the item? How much quantity? What order have we delivered so far? When is our committed delivery date? When is the expected finished plan date? This is based on real-time scheduled data. If this is blank, it means we have not scheduled it yet. Here, the approval date will also come. When was it approved by you? I will take you to a place where we have started some process. Like this was an order. This is the PO date of 15th December. PO was given on 19th. Our committed date was the 25th, and it is showing that the delivered quantity is 32,000. You can also go to process details in this. It will tell you when the printing was done, when the pasting was done, when the punching was done. All the details you will get to know exactly here. Along with this, you can also check the quality checks in this. What did we check when printing? So it came in this. There are no quality reports. It is possible that when this was being printed, we did not check any quality reports in this. Let's see in this job. This was in your punching process. It is written that a sheet was checked in this. And how many are not okay in this? There is not even one in this. These are all our checkpoints. All these checks were done. And these were all found to be okay. You can get when it was planned. When was the planned date of printing? When was this actual print? All of these data is easily available here. You will get in the delivery dates. Which date did we deliver? How much quantity did we deliver? So the job that has not been printed. If you go to the process details of that too, then you will see that as of now, this is scheduled to be printed on 7th of January. You would know exactly what is happening. When is this print? What is the plan of printing CDC today? Based on that, it came here. This is the finished plan date of today on 10th January. Then we can go to the next section, approvals. This is all the data. If we go to the pending file, so if your PO has come and the file has not come yet, then it will be seen here. PO has come in pending approval. File has come. We have sent you the approval. But it is pending to be okay from your side. That data will be seen here. You just have to go to your email and okay it. As soon as we say okay, we set it manually that this is approved and okay for production. So it goes ahead from here. Now this is the dispatches page. In this you will get a list of all dispatches. When did we dispatch? How much quantity? As soon as it is dispatched from here, it goes automatically. And finally OTIF. This is the most important page. It tells how many jobs we have delivered in how many days. For example, we saw this particular job. Ultra King, 80,000 in quantity. The approval date was either the 5th or the 8th of December. We delivered it on the 13th of December. Committed delivery date was 10th December. Approval to GPN is the day when we had packed it. Here you can see from approval to delivery date. As soon as it is packed, how many days we have spent on average. Once you get the exact data here. What is its order status? How many days did we take to prepare it after approval? That's all about it. If you want any other improvements or changes, please let us know. We can make these changes immediately. This is the search button. If you want to search for a specific order, I search for mango. You can see all the data related to mango here. And finally, in the dashboard, basically, you get the summary of all these things in the dashboard.